If you're legally married under Thai law, there's two things that you must understand and know. There is one that is called common property or marital property. In Thai, it's called sin somros. And the other one is called sin suan tua in Thai. It means like personal property. This is what we call public order. It means by an agreement or any other way, you cannot change that. This is the law and this applies to anyone, foreigners or not. Now, your personal property is normally what you own before marriage. It's also all the gifts that you give. For example, you give gold to your wife. This is a gift, so it's our personal property. You cannot change that. If you have like asset or property that you own after marriage, that you get after marriage, this will be like common property. Common property at a divorce should be separated like 50-50. Of course, you can make an agreement when you divorce and that can be like different. You can decide that it's going to be 75-25. But if you go in a court in front of a judge, if you cannot agree, make an agreement when you divorce, the judge will separate the personal property. Each person will keep their personal property, and the common property will be like separated 50-50 between like spouses. There are some exceptions to common property. Example, if you have inheritance, let's say that your uncle dies and in a will he gives you a lot of money. This is personal property. It's not separated 50-50 between spouses unless like the will specify that it goes to both spouses. But inheritance is an exception, it's personal property. Also, if you have a property before marriage that you sell and you take that money before marriage to buy a property after marriage, the amount that you had before will be like taking off the common property. This is something you had before, even if you change it to another property after marriage. You must also know that the fruits, like the profits of the personal property, while you are married, this is like common property. Let's take an example. You have like a property that worth 1 million baht or a business before marriage. And after marriage or while being married, this business worth 2 million baht. So you have like a plus value of 1 million. That plus value is common property. So should be like divided 50-50, which means your spouse should get like 500,000 baht from that business or property that worth now 2 million baht. So you will get 1.5 million. Like we said, personal property and common property are public order. That cannot be changed by an agreement made before marriage or an agreement made after marriage, like a postnuptial or prenuptial agreement. So if you understand that, common and personal property, you will know what can happen in case of divorce and you will know how to protect yourself.